Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be giving a new tax refund update, you guys. I want you to put in the comments, you guys, if you received any updates. I did a poll today again on my channel to see. And last time I seen it was like about 10 voters and 11% of the people said that they did receive an update, and 90-some% said that they didn't, you guys. So I'm going to take a glance at that. You make sure that if you have any questions and comments, you guys, that you definitely put it down in the comments. I welcome you all today. Okay, I'm going to go and look into my channel, and I'm going to see right now as we are live to see how is that poll looking. Okay, yeah, 10 votes. Right now we have 90% no, 10% yes that they did receive an update. For those of you who did receive an update, congratulations on the update of your tax return. And a good many of you said that y'all did let me know through the weekend that y'all did update it and got a 846 code with your due dates, you guys. All right. Let me get off of here and see what y'all saying in the comments, and then I'm gonna go over what I have on the screen. I'm screen sharing, and hope it don't go off, you guys. I hope it don't go off. Good afternoon. Guess what? I got one finally. Yay! That's good. That's good, Kimberly. That's good. I got one finally. Don't know why it's being mailed. It's a good many people got it being mailed to them. As well as interest. Told people, yay, yay. You might took a little longer, but hey, you get a little bit more money with it. Kimberly, congratulations on that. I'm happy for you. Anybody else received any other updates with your tax refund? Anything else that you do want to discuss, you guys, let me know. If a lot of people, I go live at 11:30, so if you missed this right here, you could always watch the replay of this video. Okay, you guys. And also, for those of you who watch this video and new to me, don't forget, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I do give new tax refund updates every week. Also, I will be giving information about building wealth, you guys. I know I haven't been doing it yet. I've been busy, but I will be doing the wealth videos. How to make money. Okay, how can we earn money? I'll be sharing with you some things on this channel, you guys, and also to help earn maybe some passive income. I'll be doing those videos later, so make sure you look out for that as well. Okay, what you see on your screen, you guys, is what to expect. If your refund isn't what you expected, we already know, most of you, it's probably in corrections due to something on your tax return. Also, it could be the payments on past due tax debts, offsets from also part of the refund. That's why I'm screen sharing this. And you also, they may be reviewing you for a possible audit, but they always let you know regarding your tax refund, if they send you a letter, what is exactly going on. So if you haven't received your letter yet, you probably will. And some of you who get the 971 with the code on your transcript and saying it's a letter sent, sometimes it'll have that date on there, but you might not receive it on that date. But you just have to wait for it to show up in the mail to you guys. Okay, All right, let's see. I wanted to share something else that I haven't been. I know what the last day them taxpayer centers was, the last day, and what was it, May or something, the 18th? Let me see. I was sharing. I hope the screen changes, you guys. Okay. Of course, you guys know. I know most of y'all know you can check your refund 24 hours after you file, 3 or 4 days after you e-file, or 4 weeks after you file a paper return. Also, for those of you who you filed a tax return by paper, you guys, and you still haven't received any information yet regarding it. It's been 6 months with a paper refund. If you have to wait 6 months and you don't see any information, chances are, you guys, you're going to have to probably e-file. So if you wait a long time and you did the paper tax return, because some people go by paper, and you wait in 6 months and you don't see any first bars or anything on where's my refund, they were sharing that last year on tax season that some people had to e-file it anyway. And I know that's tough. You guys just wait and see, because I do have questions regarding paper, people who file paper tax returns as well, you guys, okay, on the channel. Don't forget also, you guys, let me put the banners. Minute tax returns. For those of you asking about a minute tax return, that's the number. I always put that on the screen. I also always put the tax offset number on the screen. Now, for those of you who are contacting me by email, who are contacting me by phone, if you're not a client, you guys, my phone number is to when you're asking questions regarding my services, and my email address is, you are my client and you're asking me information. If you send me an email, if you call my number, it has to be regarding my services. I do not answer questions for those of you who are not my clients, okay? It's only if you are trying to get a service with me, like tax preparation or any other my services, will I answer those questions by email and by phone. And some of you have been sending me emails about information on YouTube. This is separate. YouTube is separate from my business. You guys, even though I got By Grace Tax Services that has its own channel on there for my clients, if you want your questions answered, you have to put it down in the chat of this video, and I will definitely answer it for you. But calling me and emailing me about what's going on my channel, those are separate, okay? So if you have any questions, comment, put it in live chat or put it under the replay of this video, and I'll talk to you about it. Okay. Jeffrey said my transcript request date was saying April the 15th, 2024. Now it's saying May the 29th, 2024. My transcript request date. Okay, it done updated then to May the 29th. You're requesting, because I thought it was like your transcript updated. You said your requesting date. Is that they're sending you a letter, or you just saying you requested a transcript by then? That what you're saying, Jeffrey? Let me understand what you're saying in your comment. More information. Okay, let's see if you taxpayer advocate, you guys. That's the number for the taxpayer advocate. To reach the taxpayer advocate, and I discussed a video about the taxpayer advocate on one of the live updates, so you can go back. For those who missed that video, you can go back to the playlist of tax refunds for 2024 to see that update regarding about the taxpayer advocate. You guys also contact the IRS. This is one of the numbers to reach them, but I have been sharing the other number to get in contact with somebody, but it takes a long time. But this is the number you can use to contact the IRS for those who are watching. Okay, update. Okay, Jeffrey, thank you for letting me know. Well, that's good. At least it did update it. That's good. Anybody else that may be watching, you can put it in the chat, or else after this video goes off, you can put it in the replay of this video. I usually put a schedule on here to let everybody know when I go live, but sometimes I'll be busy and doing other things, so I just randomly came. I just joined today and just went live. So I know a lot of people didn't get it, or they're busy or at work to let me know anything about their refunds. But however, for those of you who do watch the replay of this video, make sure you put it down and let me know what's going on regarding your refund. If you get any updates like Jeffrey, you guys, and anything stay the same. Did you get the letter? Let me know down in the chat. The 29th. Did you get any other codes on your transcript besides that, Jeffrey? What you saying? The update. Did you get a code on that transcript along with that date? Did you get a 971 code, Jeffrey Milton? The reason I'm saying that you get any other codes because I'm trying to see if the letter is sent on that date, or they're supposed to be finished processing. Sometimes it means that it's supposed to be finished processing by May the 29th, which is today, right? Which is today. The IRS should be finished processing it by that date, which is today. If not, if they're not finished processing by today, and then they'll update it next time and put another date. But if they are finished processing by the date, then you should receive information regarding your tax refund soon. So hopefully that's what you go through. Jeffrey, I'm hoping that they finish processing today, so you'll get an 846 code on your transcript, which means that they'll be issuing out a refund. Okay. So let me know do you know what cycle you in on the transcript? Do you fall in that 05 cycle? If you do fall into that, then this Friday, hopefully, and Saturday, that you receive that 846 code, and also you receive a due date of when you're going to receive your refund. So hopefully that is a good thing for you too, Jeffrey. Okay. All right. If anybody else, 05, okay, check Friday to see, because if they're supposed to be finished processing it by today, then hopefully by Friday you should see your 846 code and your refund due date. If they're not finished, I'm be clear, if they're not finished processing it by today, which you said May the 29th, then what they'll again do is when your transcript update is Friday, it's probably gonna have another date. So that's why. Okay. All right, I want to be clear on that. Anybody else with any more questions, any more comments, or anything regarding that tax refund, to let me know, or anything, or let anybody else know? Okay. Somebody did say, you see on the screen that I got, IRS just added 60 more days. Somebody said it got issued 180 days. Did anybody get that? 60, and they're talking about 180-day wait. Did anybody else? Because somebody yesterday said that they did, and I was like, it could come before then. Just because they give you another extra 60 days, it could actually happen before the 60 days, because somebody on my channel let me know that they had just been issued a 60-day notice, and then they still got their 846 code. So don't be discouraged, you guys, if you see those letters, because sometimes it might not be the full 60 days. Okay. So that person let me know that they had just been issued another 60 days, and then they got their refund. So when you see that 60 days, it may not be the full 60-day wait. Okay, so don't be discouraged. Anybody else again with any questions or any comments? I have a lot of videos to help those of you who are late, who had filed their tax return late. You guys, and y'all have questions, y'all can go back to all the live videos, and I have a playlist on it for 2024 and get caught up on some of those questions. Hey, Miss Sugar. Okay, Miss Sugar. Oh, still nothing? Still nothing. Hopefully, Miss Sugar, that you will, you are you in that 052 like Jeffy? I thought it was Jeffrey. It's Jeffy. I'm sorry, I was saying it wrong. I thought it was Jeffrey, and it's Jeffy. Jeffy Milton. Miss Sugar, are you in that? Yeah, so hopefully this weekend, okay? Hopefully this weekend that you will update too. Okay, yeah. Cycle 05, yes. That's good. Well, hopefully yours will update. Anybody else in cycle 05? Or anybody else got any other codes or anything that they want to share regarding tax refund updates? Yeah, I'm praying too, Miss Sugar. I see a lot of people say they still have not, a lot of things have not changed for them yet. Okay, you got the 27th. Okay, so it's still, even though you gave me the 29th and it's the 27th, it's okay. It's okay. You still, hopefully, if they didn't finish processing it by the 27th, then you can look on Friday, and hopefully, if they finish processing it on that 27th, then you should see, hopefully you receive your refund date. Again, it's Friday, okay? If not, they'll update it with another one, the same what I was saying a while ago. It's okay. Still the same. I'm trying to go to the comments on my channel. You guys see what other people have to say, since we don't have that many people. So your name is? Okay. Your name is Jeffrey. Okay. I'm just going by what I see on the screen. I had to look. Okay. Yeah, Karen said, she told me this. Congressman helped get my refund released. Did my taxes on February 7th. Got an 846 tax code Saturday with a date of May the 30th. And she said, thank you, Dr. Linda. Great advice. Congressman is the way to go. So for those of you who are thinking about that, is a good many people I have helped that they reached out to their congressman and then they got their due date. So hopefully for those of you who did, then it will work out for you. I see somebody, the little podcast said, how do I contact Congress? I will be back to you on that. Mika +4 said, yes, yeah, my Congress got mine moving after months and months. My wages finally posted this morning. I'm a weekly, so hopefully my deposit date is for next week. Okay, Mika +4. That's great. Congratulations. I'll be getting back to her too, commenting on hers. Let's see. Somebody said, I am very upset since I made them since they filed since January. They've been waiting since January 22nd, and I was supposed to receive them on February 12th, and nothing. My code says 570 on the page. It says 152. And the worst thing is that I never received anything, no letter, nothing helps. Right. You just got a whole code. So for, is it Jose David Hernandez Gomez? Yeah, that's a whole code. So, you just have to wait till the whole code updates. They didn't have 971. If they ain't send you a letter, that means they ain't put that code down on the transcript for you to receive it. Sometimes they don't. They do actually update the transcript, Miss Sugar, but sometimes don't, and you your refund. Yep. Sometimes don't even, when you have a date on there, you right. Sometimes like Jeffrey had a date. Sometimes it doesn't update. Yeah. And that's why I tell people to check your bank account, because sometimes your transcripts and also the WMR, where is my refund, for those you don't know what I'm talking about, they don't update and you still get your money. So yeah, sometimes it won't update for certain people. Okay, somebody said, this is Marcus. Will the IRS two letters at one time, or is it the same letter? I got 971 letter Friday and code 571 Friday, but mail is showing letter from them again today. And Marcus, what I would do, open both of the letters. They sent two letters, open both letters to see what they say. Okay. It says, I contacted my congressman. They were told the same thing they told me and stated that they will follow back up on June the 14th. Wow. Okay, Miss Sugar. Just keep me informed. Okay. Anybody else with any other information that just now watching me? Let me see. Is anybody else? Okay, yeah, somebody said, yes, I got it, honey, because the Congress I got in contact with, yes, it's finally here, and I pray that everybody else get theirs coming, guys. I had a second notice, too, from the IRS to wait 60 days. It's coming, just keep the faith, guys. So she did get hers, and she even had got a 60-day letter. And it, like I told you guys, even though you get that 60-day notice, doesn't mean that you have to wait that full 60 days or 120 days or 180. Somebody had come in and said 180 days. Okay, Sheila Knight commented 2 days ago. It said, contact your congressman. I did. They got mine within 30 days. They kept sending notices. Hi, Sandra McKnight. Nothing but it's coming, right? It's coming. Okay, I'm just trying to get caught up on some of this on my channel. If some of the people be commenting under my old videos. That's what I'm reading, you guys. Well, hopefully, you guys, if there's no more questions or comments, hopefully, you guys, it will update for you soon. With those of you who with the 0-5 cycle, hopefully it will. Justice. Hi, Justice. Justice still haven't received any updates and still shows a 971 code, which matches the prior 570 code. Did you receive that letter yet, Justice? Because when you get that whole code 570 and the 971 code, it's supposed to be a letter sent out to you. Did you ever receive that letter? And sometimes they do take a while. They'll have it posted on your transcript for a good while, because some people have told me they've been waiting a long time and weeks, and then finally they got a letter in the mail. Okay, that's good, Sandra. That's good. Contacted my congressman and they said they are still pushing it. That's great. Great. Okay, Justice, did you receive a notice in the mail? If you're still on here, let me know. Or anybody else that's watching, do y'all have any questions or comments? Or shout out your location where you're watching from. You can let me know where you're watching from as well. For those of you who, you feel like that you don't want to comment during the live video, because a lot of people be commenting on the other videos while I'm live, you can comment definitely after the replay of this video. Okay. Again, if y'all have any other comments, make sure you Any questions, make sure that you go to irs.gov. And I have been putting all the numbers and try to contact the IRS if you can, you guys, about anything. Okay, Houston, Texas. I don't have a good many people doing tax season from Texas. Welcome, Sandra. Anybody else want to shout out their location, their state? Everybody know I'm from Alabama. I always said roll tide, you guys. Anybody else? Sometimes I'll be waiting, you guys, because I will end the video sometimes, and then I see questions and comments down in there after I done ended it. So I'll be waiting to see if anybody else have any other questions and comments. Okay. Justice, I did receive the letter and sent it back with info they requested. That was in March. Okay. Well, hopefully they still are working on. That's good. At least you did send in all the information. By the way, if they do request information, make sure if they got an expiration date, because they still send notices even after tax season for you guys requesting information. If you're watching and they're asking you for information, make sure that you mail in that information by the expiration date, and keep copies as well, you guys. To not do anything and they're asking for your information will make your tax refund just sit. So make sure if they request information from you that you send it in, you guys. Anybody else with any questions or comments? Okay, you guys. Well, if not, hopefully I will see y'all on another live video. Okay, and y'all have a great day, and I hope that y'all receive your tax refund soon.